Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can apply predefined formatting to tables or to selected cells within worksheets. This can quickly and easily improve the appearance and functionality of your worksheet data. You can use the Format as Table command to quickly format selected cells and also convert them into a table. You can also apply this to any existing tables you created in your worksheet. Alternatively, to only apply cell formatting without converting the selected cells into a table, use the Cell Styles command instead. To do either task, first select the cells to which to apply a pre-designed format. Then click either the Format as Table or Cell Styles drop-down button in the Styles button group on the Home tab of the ribbon, depending on which type of formatting you want to apply. From the drop-down menus that appear, then select the formatting to apply to the selected cells or cell in your worksheet. If you select the Format as Table button, then, after selecting your desired table style, the Format as Table dialog box appears. This dialog box lets you convert the selected cells into a table. If your selected table has column headers, which means you have also selected the cells at the top of the columns that contain labels for the column's data, then check the My Table Has Headers checkbox. Then click the OK button to apply the selected formatting to the cells and simultaneously convert them into a table.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.